folks, thanks for joining us for episode 3 of the Mint and Modified series. Andy, what have you taken me out in today?
Today we're in a 1998 ST24 V6 producing 170 brake horsepower approximately. It's been in my ownership for 17 years. I've hardly looked after it. It's just my show car really.
Absolutely. Considering there's only about 100 left of these in the country, what have you actually done to yours since you've had it?
Since owning it 17 years, I have enhanced the engine bay by adding stainless steel components to all the different covers. It's a slow process and a costly process.
Yeah.
It's for me personally.
Yeah.
It's for me personally.
How you want the car to be.
Yeah. And as I say, there's now only less than 100 of these ST24 saloons left in the UK. Right. So that's the reason I want to keep it absolutely immaculate. Yeah. For future sake. Yeah. It's very free like revving engine.
Yeah. Makes progress nicely, I must say. I'm quite impressed.
For an old car.
Yeah. I'm so impressed with kind of the ride quality, how supple the suspension is.
Yeah, it does ride, and it's very, very. I think this was Ford's ever first ST. Right. And they developed a suspension for like performance.
So I'm trying to sort of think about the context of the car. What cars were kind of in the same bracket as this when it came out?
The Vauxhall Vectra GSI.
Right. Okay.
That would have been its competitor at the time.
Yeah.
There was a couple of others, but the main competitor was the Vauxhall Vectra GSI.
Yeah. Is there anything, if someone was looking to buy one of these, is there anything that they should sort of look out for, make sure it's been done?
The main culprit on this engine is the head gasket. Right. It's a very, very known problem on the V6, especially on the back bank. It's to do with the water pump. If the water pump fails, which is common as well, that will entice the head gasket to go very quickly. Okay, so it's a preventative maintenance thing, isn't it? Yeah, so they suggest you put a metal impeller water pump on, and that will cure that problem.
Right, okay. How have you found it with the reliability of it?
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. It's been absolutely never one small problem in all the 17 years I've owned it, which was the starter motor. So I can't complain.
Easy fix.
Yeah, easy fix. Yeah. Yep.
Okay folks, we are now heading home. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Big thanks to Andy for letting us have a look at his very unique car. Make sure you check out our next episode of the Mint and Modified series, where we are having a look at a C63 AMG. Huge thanks for tuning in. See you later.